Hi guys, today we are currently staying at Rameshwaram and in the clock it's 8:25 a.m. in the morning, and currently I will take the tour around all the gates of the temple, starting from the south, then east, then north, and finally the west. All the four gates I will be covering today, so be with me. So starting our journey, and behind me is the hotel at which I am staying in Rameshwaram, Hotel Shudiksha Deluxe. And now going ahead to take the tour of all the four gates, starting from south, then east, then north, and finally the west. This is the auto stand from where autos are available to go to any place in Rameshwaram and even for local sightseeing. So we are heading towards our first gate, the south gate. And in front of us is the barricade, and after this barricade no four-wheelers are allowed, not even autos, only bikes and cycles are allowed. So taking straight from the barricade, and fast towards our south gate. Now in front of us the south gate is visible, the south gate of the main temple, Rameshwaram temple, Arulmigu Ramanatha Swami temple, Ramanatha Swami temple, the main temple. And in front of us it's coming the south gate. At this morning time, actually it is literally too much crowded, and here it comes, the first gate of today's journey, the south gate. And behind me is the south gate. Entry can also be done from here to the main temple, but when I will be visiting the temple, I will most preferably choosing the east gate, the main gate, to enter. But behind is the south gate. Great architecture, superb. Now heading towards our main gate, east gate, after this. Crossing the south gate and moving towards the east gate, the main gate of the temple. Currently at this morning time, 8:35 a.m. It's crowded with devotees. And as we are approaching near the east gate, the main gate of the temple, the current of the wind is getting slowly high as the sea is near the main gate only, east gate. And also today, after covering all the 4 gates, I will also try to cover the Agnitirtham area. Moving slowly towards the east gate, the main temple gate. We are approaching the east gate, and the first glimpse of the east gate, the main entry gate, main gate of the temple, Arulmigu Ramanatha Swami temple, the east gate. It's packed with devotees at this morning time. And it is the exit gate of the temple. And this is the main gate, the east gate of the temple, Arulmigu Ramanatha Swami temple. That is the main gate of the temple behind me. Spectacular view at this morning time. Superb view. The sun is directly falling on the main east gate. Awesome view. Packed with devotees at this morning time. Packed with devotees. That is the main east gate. The main gate of the temple. Let's go forward. Way to Darshan South Gate, way to bath in the 22 holy wells is the North Gate. The directions are mentioned clearly. It's the East Tower entrance. Maximum of the devotees choose this main entry gate to enter the temple. and have the darshan of the one of the Jyotirlings, 12 Jyotirlings of Mahadev. Way to special darshan. Ticket price is 100 and 200. And way to Spadikalingam darshan is the timing as from morning 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. And special darshan timing is from morning 6 a.m. to 12:50 p.m. And in front of us, the road will take to us and take to the Agni Tirtham, take us to the Agni Tirtham, and we will be covering that last. So continuing from the east gate to the north gate. Morning time is absolutely beautiful. 8:45 a.m. is the time in the clock. Heading towards the north gate. So now moving towards the north gate after taking left on the street, and the north gate is also visible, and we are going towards that. Packed with devotees at this morning time. The north gate of the temple. And here is the north gate of the main temple. From this gate also entry is allowed. And that is the north gate. Very much beautiful. The same architecture in all the gates till now I have visited. Same architecture and beautiful view. Morning time, it's 8:45 p.m. Best time to have darshan, but crowd is there. Devotees are packed. So avoid. We can come later also, but this time is the best time. This is the north gate.
இதில் 12 ரூபாய் இடைவெளியாக வழங்கப்படுகிறது. எனவே பக்தர்கள் இடைச்சலனங்கள் யாரையும் அணுகாமல் நேரடியாக
and currently crossing the north gate.
பொதுமக்கள் செல்ல கேட்டுக்கொள்ளப்படுகிறது.
Simply awesome architecture. And now continuing to our final gate, the West Gate. Currently all the three gates are having the same architecture and is mesmerizing to view such architecture with our naked eyes. Now going forward towards our final gate, the West Gate. Heading towards the final gate of our today's journey. And in front of us is the Sri Ramakrishna Matham, Ramakrishna Math. And actually it is likely to be noticed that the West Gate is situated at the main road. All the other three gates were inside the temple premise, where no four-wheelers, not even autos are allowed. But the West Gate is likely to be on the main road, where buses are also moving. Yes, as I have guessed, the West Gate is on the main road. And behind me is the West Gate of the temple, West Gate of the temple, and entry is also allowed, I guess, from this West Gate. Same architecture, so just as we have viewed till now of the three gates, the fourth gate is also having the same architecture. Super view. This is the West Gate. Entry is also allowed from this gate. West Tower entrance.